Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Akregator package is available on Ubuntu-based repository, so you can install it directly by running the next command. Once installation is finished, go into your desktop where you will see Akregator by icon, or you can find it by the system search bar. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.